ज्ञानिनः पापलेपोऽस्ति नास्तिवानुपभोगतः अनाश इति शास्त्रेषु घोषाल्लेपोऽस्य विद्यते अकर्त्रात्मधिया वस्तुम् अहिम्नैव न लिप्यते।
अकर्त्रात्मधिया वस्तु महिम्नैव न लिप्यते।
अकर्त्रात्मधिया वस्तु महिम्नैव न लिप्यते। अश्लेषनाशाव्यप्युक्तौ अग्नेघोषस्तु सार्थकः।
ज्ञानिनः पापलेपः अस्ति नास्ति वा? For ज्ञानी लेप means smearing, connection. You know, you eat the food, whatever that is lepa they say, or whatever that falls on the dining table is called lepa they say, means the remaining, something that is sticking, etc. Jnaninaha papa lepaha asti nava. Has he got connection with the papa or not? So doubt. It says Purapaksha Anupabhogataha, because of declaration of Shastra that Papa does not get destroyed. Without Bhoga, experience, Papa Punya, both. Papa here is a Punya also. They do not get destroyed. Bhogena eva tu kshayaha. Only by undergoing experience, only they get destroyed. Anupabhogataha, when not experienced, anashaha iti shastra ghosha, they don't get destroyed. So is what ghosha, declaration of the shastra. Therefore, because of such declaration, that papa punya do not get destroyed unless they are undergone. Therefore, lepaha asya lepaha vidyate. Asya lepaha vidyate. Asya means jnaninaha. To this jnani, connection with papa punya is that. Why? The declaration of the Shruti is what? Need not be Shruti. Smriti also, Shastra is, without the bhoga, papa punya cannot get exhausted. Siddhanta अकर्त्रात्मधिया वस्तु महिम्ना एव न लिप्यते। तु न कंटिन्यू अश्लेष नाशौ अपि उक्तौ। तु आफ्टर अश्लेष नाश अपि उक्तौ टेक टू अग्ने घोषः सार्थकः। अग्ने घोषः सार्थकः। अकर्त्रात्म धिया, Brahma Jnana is gained. What is that Brahma? Atma. What type of Atma Brahma? Akarta. When the knowledge that I am Akarta Brahma is directly gained, Sakshatkara is there, say, Vastu Mahimna eva. By the very Mahima, glory of Vastu. What is that Vastu? Atma Brahma, namely Akartratmaka Vastu. Vastu that is Akarta. Akartratmaka Vastu. The Vastu. Therefore says Mahimna eva na lipyate. Because he is what? Akarta, Atma, Akarta, Brahma. Abhokta, Atma, Abhokta, Brahma. Not that why he is like that. Like that. The whole night darkness was there. And now sun has come. Darkness must be there. By the very nature of the sun, there is no room for darkness. It is the nature of the sun. There can't be any darkness. So like that. So after that, again, Shruti and Smriti says, Ashlesha Nashao api uktao. Two things are there. Ashlesha, no connection. Nasha, destruction. Means no connection with the agami karma. Destruction of sanchita karma, either this life or past life. Agami karma, no connection. Why? Kartrutva bhavana is not there. Sanchita karma, earlier kartrutva bhavana was there. Now kartrutva bhavana is destroyed. Ahankara gone, therefore vinasha. Account holder gone, therefore with what? No connection with the accountess. Ashlesha nashav api uktav. Then what about this bhogadeva kshayaha? It is true, but for whom? Ajnani. It is not true for jnani, it is true for ajnani. Two, whereas ajne, with respect to ajnani, ghoshaha sarthakaha is meaningful, means what? Applicable. So this is what? Sarthaka is purposeful, means it is applicable. Sutra yuti tadadhigame uttara purvaghayoho ashlesha vinasha tadvyapadesha तदधिगमे तस्य ब्रह्मणः साक्षात्कारे अधिगमये साक्षात्कार तस्य ब्रह्मणः अधिगमे में साक्षात्कारे सति उत्तर पूर्वाघयोः two divisions are made of the papa punya. Uttara purva, what is uttara? Jnanottara. Papa punya that have come across after the jnana is gained. Purva is before gaining the knowledge. So uttara purvagayo ashlesha vinasha. Uttaragasya ashlesha. Purvagasya vinasha. Agami karma that has come into being after the jnana, no connection. Sanchita karma, either in this birth before gaining knowledge or past life, is what? Vinasha. Vinasha. How do you say so? Tad vyapadesha. To this effect, Shruti statements are there. We'll see in the Bhashya. Take a caption. Purva Paksha. Papa will not go even after gaining Brahma Jnana. Purva Paksha. This is Purva Paksha. Purva Pakshi says, Papa will not go even after gaining Brahma Jnana. Next page, line 4, Nivritti Hiti.